How to enable Do Not Disturb mode in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to enable the Do Not Disturb feature in Sausage Man, first of all open the Sausage Man application on your device and from the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu icon. Now select Settings. Inside the Settings tab, click on Privacy from the left-hand menu and inside Privacy, go to Do Not Disturb mode option, tap on Enable, and once you enable this Do Not Disturb mode, you will be able to turn on the Do Not Disturb in Sausage Man. Once Do Not Disturb is enabled, you may receive fewer game invitation or notification while playing. So that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode in Sausage Man. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.